Hi everyone, if you're interested to learn fake sunrays video effects in CapCut, then keep watching. First you need to select the video on which you apply the sunrays effect. For example, I'm go to the media and I'm going to the my some of favorites, and I'm selecting this clip as an example, and after that you need to click on the effects on the top menu bar and click on the video effects and type sun, and here you will see multiple options of sun's rays, so you need to check one by one and see which one is the best one. Yeah, this looks much better, so click on this plus icon and drag it to the video length, and here you can, on the right side, you can adjust the speed by decreasing and also adjust the atmosphere as per your preferences, and click that how it looks. Yeah, this is much better, and you can see that the sun rays video effect is applied on the video. So this is very simple and very easy. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.